Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my very first Beauteque box. And if you don't know, Beauteque is a Korean beauty subscription box, and every month you'll get a curated box full of Korean skincare and makeup products. I have done a Korean beauty box unboxing on my channel before, and that was featuring BomiBox, so I thought it'd be interesting to kind of check out what the competition has to offer. Before I move on to the unboxing, if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and this is your go-to channel for all things Japanese and Korean beauty, and I also do Japan videos. So I kind of do like travel guides of where you should go eat and where you should go. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. So this is technically their April box, even though I got this at the very beginning of May. So just keep that in mind that you'll probably get your box towards the end or the beginning of the next month. So the first thing I see here is, oh yeah. See, like I ordered this so long ago that I don't even remember that I got a freebie. So this is the Smell Out Hair Mist in Fruity Girl for fresh scalp and hair. And this is from the company Beauteque. Let's kind of smell this for a second. Very fruity, but also a hint of like muskiness. All right, and then you get in the box some sort of slip. And I guess the month of April, the theme was Sip Sip Hooray. Well, that's so cute. So they kind of call this a skincare menu, and I guess they really go into detail what each of the products do in the box. So I kind of got spoiled there for a second, but let's put that away. All right, the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this huge product right here. So this is definitely full size. And this is the Green Tea Seed Moisture Emulsion by Farmstay. So the main ingredient here is of course green tea, which is full of antioxidants, so it can help counter any sun damage and any fine lines or wrinkles. And this is pretty much a moisturizer for your face. And this is a huge moisturizer. It's 300 milliliters. Wow. Second thing I see is another green tea themed product, and that's the Green Tea Sleeping Pack by Medi Flower, and it's supposed to help brighten your skin and keep it smooth. Oh, look at that. It's a very like jelly-like structure. That's pretty cool. It smells kind of sweet, actually. So the description of this product is, of course, it's a sleeping mask. They put this on right before you go to sleep, and while you sleep, it's supposed to smooth and brighten your skin. I don't technically use a lot of sleeping masks. I don't know. It's just the ones I've tried have been too sticky and it doesn't like absorb very well, so I kind of tend to avoid them. So we'll see how this goes. All right, this next product we have here is called Blue Lemonade Mist by Candy O Lady. So the description of this product says that it is a jelly-like mist which is thicker and more hydrating than normal facial sprays. Smells amazing and it is travel friendly. It's great for anyone with dry skin. So I don't necessarily have dry skin, so I don't know if this product will be pretty useful for me, but it's kind of cute, and let's see how it smells. It smells just like candy, actually. Next thing we got in here is the Honey and Milk Lip Oil by Beauteque, which is that same company that I got the hair mist from. And look at that brush in there. It is huge. You see that? It's a huge doe foot applicator. And as the name suggests, this lip oil will be great for treating dried, chapped lips. I actually use a lot of lip oils because my lips do get super dry, especially over winter. And then when I'm using any kind of liquid lipstick, that is extremely drying. So I do have a use for this product. It might take me a while to get to it because I have other ones, but it's a useful product to have in my stash. This next product is another one by the company Beauteque, and that's the Vitamin Talk Power. So it is a vitamin-packed power that can be blended with your favorite skincare products or used on its own. I've actually never heard of a product like this before. So you can blend it in with like your cleanser, essence, mask, moisturizers, or sleeping packs, or just use it on its own to kind of help combat dull skin and hyperpigmentation. That's really interesting. I've never, like I said, never heard of a product like this. I guess because it's packed with vitamins, and it doesn't necessarily say what type of vitamins are in here. I probably have to look up the ingredients online. but maybe I guess it's kind of like a supplement to your existing skincare products. I think that's what it's getting at here. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried this product or heard of a product like this before. And the very last thing we have in this box is an oil blotting paper. I love oil blotting papers. I use it all the time, especially when I go back to Okinawa. It's so hot and humid there. So I'm pretty happy to have this in my hands before I go on my trip. And this is called the Oil Off Paper by Saline Vogue. And this product comes with, it comes with 80 of them. That's pretty cool. And the packaging is also super cute. You get like a cat that's with the mouth open, and then you see the oil blotting paper in there. This might be my favorite one so far. Just because it's so practical. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing of the Beauteque April box. I myself am actually pretty impressed by the type of products that are in here, and then like the size of the products. And what I'm most impressed by is this information sheet that they include. They give you how much the product retails for. They give you why they picked this product to put in the box. They tell you how to use it, and then additional tips or explanation of the ingredients that are in the product. So I really appreciated that. So this box here retails for $22 per month, but you do have to pay for shipping. So that comes to about $24 per month. But you do have the option of skipping months in case you start getting overwhelmed by the amount of skincare that you receive, because you do get 6 full-size items per month. Alright, so let me know in the comment section if I got you interested in this box, or if there's any other Korean beauty subscription boxes that you like or want me to try. I'd be happy to do so. And also, before I go, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!